Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Tech and AI YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can make Google Translate to say Cantonese. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already opened any of the internet browser, and now you need to search for the Translate in Google, or you can simply search for the Google Translate. So once you tap or click on the Translate, now you can see there is a links on in the screen, or you can also click on here. So now let me type Cantonese. Now you can see Cantonese in here. So if you want to make Google Translate to say, then simply tap on this voice icon or sound icon.
Cantonese.
And now you can see Google Translate has said Cantonese successfully. So basically this is how you can make Google Translate to say Cantonese. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.